Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, I was out here today practicing some more with Tulip Poplar Bark for fire roll filler, and here's some that I've been trying. What I wanted to tell you today is if you're using a difficult filler or any kind of a difficult fire roll, you should preheat the fire roll before you actually start rolling it. And that's simply, you know how we do some forward strokes with the board just to tighten it up, to make the roll tight enough to withstand the rolling process? That's just doing 10 extra of those. That will greatly increase the heat before you ever start going for the ember. So let me show you what I'm talking about. As I told you yesterday, you can fire roll Tulip Poplar Bark if you use this outer bark and inner bark. But it still makes a very weak ignition. So this is a perfect technique for that. So I powderized that outer bark, and now I'm working on getting some inner bark powder. And I still like it using about 10 inches of cotton. All right, let's give it 10 or more forward strokes. That's gonna heat it up a lot before you ever start going for the ember. I can smell it. I can smell the heat in it already. If you don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more. And as usual, this is taking its time about surfacing. Let's try it again. about 10 forward strokes. And we have another slow rising ember. Ember has to ride, the heat has to rise up from the center until it gets close enough to the top to where it can ignite. You're never going to have an ember until it joins up with the oxygen in the air. So all that heat has to migrate from the core to the outside. All right, one more time. All right, that one was a fail for some reason, so let's go ahead and see if we can get the third one. I do not want that to go to flames. Maybe I can hold it back a little bit by sticking that on there. All right, I went to 15 preheats on that one. And it looks like those preheats helped it. So, if you have a combination of cotton and any kind of filler, and you know that it works, but you can't get it to work anymore, try preheating it. Some forward strokes. I did 15 forward strokes on this one, and this one ignited better than all the rest. Do me a favor now. Before you leave my channel, hit the subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and in the drop-down list, you'll see where you can select all. And please give me a like. Whoa, that's about to go to flames as it is. Appreciate you joining me on this one wheel. Catch you on the next one.